Welcome back to Rosco Reviews. Today we are going to be replacing a bathtub diverter on a Delta faucet. This one the buttons broke off of, so we're going to have to open it up to replace the diverter. First you'll need to remove the handle from the faucet. With the handle removed, you can now remove the plate that covers the diverter. With the plate removed, you should be able to see where the diverter goes. You'll need to have a wrench or a deep socket, preferably the deep socket, but for me I only have the wrench to remove the old one. If your tub is like mine, when they installed it, they may not have left you a big enough hole to get to where the diverter screws in, so I'm going to have to widen the hole. You could use a vibrating saw tool to do this, or a drill like I'm using. Now that I have my hole widened out a little bit, I'll be able to get my wrench in there to remove the old diverter button. Like I said, this would be a lot easier to get to if you have a deep socket that can fit over that button. When it's loose, you should be able to remove it. Be sure you get all of the pieces of the old one out of there. This one had a little piece of the paddle still in it. You can now slide in your new diverter button. It goes horizontally, slide it all the way in, and then screw it on with your fingers, and then we will snug it up with the wrench. When you have the diverter button in there nice and tight, you can turn on the shower to check for leaks around the nut. It does have a rubber grommet on it, so you shouldn't need pipe thread tape. Now we're going to put the plate back on the way it came off. Screw everything back into place. After putting this plate back on, it's a good idea to caulk around the outside of it again. Then we'll put the handle back on. Now you should be good to go. I hope you found this video helpful. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you back here next time.